final game of the tournament. Taking on the Wave. There we go. Starting for the Riptide, Riley, Nico, Cole, Max and Tyler on defense. Nico brings it into the zone. Tyler dumps it on net. Oh, Cole. Oh, it's in! Yeah! It's in there. Nico crashing the net right off the opening face-off. Good play. Same line. Nico beats him to the puck. Riley driving. Nice job. Into the corner. Oh, bounces over the stick. Out to the point. Nice shot. Ooh, good tip. Excellent, excellent try there on the tip. Vogel winds up. Puts it up. Oh, nice. Second attempt. They're looking to ice it. Max taking it out of the corner, skating it, looking around. Oh, that was a horrible pass. And a penalty coming up. And a nice icing here. Took it in offsides. Ooh, throwing an elbow there. Oh, Leon bumping a guy off the puck. Nico knocking a guy down behind the net. Nice icing. Picked up in the middle. Down it goes. Oh, Riley looking to bump the guy off. Didn't quite work. Max taking it strong behind the net. Skate it, buddy. Oh, can't quite get it out of the zone. Comes Riley. Going up the middle. Max in the corner. Uh-oh, gives it right up. Nice pass. Beautiful pass by Nico. Cole puts it in deep. Riley coming around the net. Skandarian takes it wide. Still controls the puck. Out to the point. Shot! Oh, almost. Tyler tracking it down, pokes it into the corner. Here comes Bentley, digging hard in the corner. Helped out by Billy. Ryan Murray, Vogel takes it at the point, pokes it to Murray. Murray, oh, saucer pass to Tardino. Cardino to Bentley. Tyler shoots the puck. Oh, couldn't quite find the handle on a bouncing puck. Here we go. Bentley going strong to the net. Can't quite center it. 1-on-1. Boards coming strong. Speed like that can only be Billy. Oh, intercepted. Escobar at the point. Takes it around, going to the slot. Shoots! Oh, what a save. Gets a piece with the blocker. Out to the point. No, intercepted. Here comes Cleveland. Coming to the center. Oh, dangles. Loses the handle. Skandarian battling. Skandarian picks up the puck behind the net. Nice, right out to the point. Tyler shoots. Oh, another blocker save. Skandarian behind the net. Nice, passes it to the point. Blasts it back into the corner. Good puck control by the Riptide here. Out to the point. Oh, loses the handle. Nice speed. Here we go. Oh, there's a trip. Oh, he's got him. He's got him. Let's see if we can control the puck. Delayed penalty situation. Oh, another trip. I think that was 2 trips. I think he's only going to take the last one.